Hey, my mom's birthday party is this coming Saturday, and I was looking for some cute napkins to put with the cake and the mints, and I came across these. What I was actually looking for was some cute, birthday napkins, but she loves birds. She has one of those bird feeders with the camera on it that she absolutely loves. She collects glass bird figurines. She loves like coffee cups with birds on it. She loves plant pots with birds on anything with birds on it. She loves it. So that's why I was so pleased to find these super cute bird napkins. I mean, she's got like a book that will tell you what each bird is. She has an app on her phone that will listen to a bird's song and then tell you what type of bird it is. I mean, she's crazy about birds. So I am so excited for her party. We are going to use these napkins with the cake, and she doesn't know yet, and she's just going to be really excited.